Hey guys, Monday, August 19th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow has for us today. As you can see, this week's nat gas demand is kind of moderate. Very warm to high pressure will rule most of the western, central, and southern U.S. with highs of upper 80s to 100 for strong demand. As you can see, you can look at the charts. Today is what, the 19th? We're here. And somehow from here, it kind of climbs up. Kind of makes sense for seasonality demand. Up here, and then I guess it turns, we don't know yet, for September. But I figure I'd share. This is from a website called natgasweather.com. I have no affiliation with them. I don't know these folks, but I see that they do a great job. Especially in regards to the weather. I really don't cover the weather, but I figure I should at least peek and look into it and kind of see, you know, what everybody else is seeing. Since I don't include this in part of my analysis, you'll probably see it here and there. The weather has a lot to do with it also, so we have to kind of monitor that as well. We look like we're going to the point of control, which is 215. So we got a little bottom feeders, Dollar Tree store, you know, discount bottom feeders coming up. So that looks pretty much like a good target for now. Let's see if we could hold and push above that to at least to maybe 220. Let's go to our simple glance. And we're finding support at the 20 SMA on the daily chart. So let's see if that would hold. We're now in the zone of chop fest between 219 and you could say 210. To get bullish, we need at least close above pretty much 219. MACD is still negative. You got a PPS sell signal, so that's that. Typically, when you get that, you get a retracement, maybe at least to 221. And if it fails, that's the opportunity to pounce and go short. But it hasn't played out yet. Let's see. I kind of narrowed it down here. Looks like we're hitting the top of the APF level. See if we could close above that. In regards to the channel, we bounce off the midpoint, the 50%. So let's see if we could push higher. Finding support there. And we're hitting a pivot right here. Let's see if we can hit that target up there. Let's see. SO today the 19th. Yep, the 19th. Today is a 2/3 of the move from 611. So we went from here to here. Let's see if maybe this goes like this. I don't know. We'll see. This is the 28th. This is the last week of the month. This is where a lot of the seasonality turns around here. A few of them, not everything. Sometimes it continues going higher into September and October, and then November kind of gets a little weak, but we'll see how that's going to play out. And my swing chart, so far the next day to watch will be September 5th. So we continue going here. This could be a possible turning point also. Let's go to our midpoint chart and see what's cooking there. Big target on the upside will be 225. Yep. Let's go into our, see if we can fix this a little bit here. Yep. So this is the monthly pivots. Obviously 219, pretty much around 221. That'll be your target to the upside. Mobiles are still positive. And looking at the 4-hour, the bulls definitely are showing up. And we're already probably going to hit the, I believe that's the 25% level, which is 215. So this is going to be a big target. Second target, if it's going to get some good Momo today, 218. And then the line in the sand for this whole week is going to be 220. So yeah, 220 is the big target. If we could get all the way up here, hopefully it doesn't fail, get up here and just maybe chop around here or hold it and then, you know, push higher from here, that's a good sign. You see the mobiles are digging in there, and Stokes look like now they're waking up with the 4-hour price action. Statistically is a bullish day, not by much, but you can see it. I can see this price action. Tomorrow's going to be a different story. And on the hourly, you can see that it was quiet on the overnight session, and somewhere around 4 a.m. it started waking up. Big buyers started showing up, and the line in the sand for today is 215, 216. That would be your midpoint. And you got the 200 moving average somewhere around up here. So these are possible targets. Let's see if this would hold. Now, if it's a head fake, once we get here or get to this area, target to the downside will be 208 all the way to 205. But let's see if we could kind of push higher. If you could get to close above the midpoint, 216, and fight between 218 and 221, which is your overnight high of Friday, you could probably get to at least 224 to 226, but these are extreme targets to the upside. Let's just do baby steps and at least get above 216 and wrap it up there. Hopefully you like this video. I'm going to sign out. Hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.